VMware Fusion versus Workstation Pro versus UTM, which is honestly better? In this video, I'll compare VMware Fusion, Workstation Pro, and UTM to figure out which one is honestly better. So to get started, VMware Workstation Pro is built for power users on Windows with deep customization and high performance. VMware Fusion is the Mac counterpart, good for general use and solid integration with Mac OS. UTM is free and supports a wide variety and range of systems, but it's not as fast or polished as the others. It's great for experimentation, not so much for daily use. If you want pro features and stability, Workstation Pro or Fusion are your best bet. UTM is fine if you're just testing things or on a budget. You'll also notice better hardware compatibility with Fusion and Workstation Pro, especially for virtual GPUs and USB pass through. UTM works, but it lacks some polish. Each tool serves a slightly different purpose, so pick the one that fits your platform and goals best. And that is my review of VMware Fusion and Workstation Pro versus UTM.